Here are 5 free anti-aging hacks with instant results that can level up your skincare routine and make you feel and look more youthful. I'm Dr. Maren Locke, the budget dermatologist. I am always here to remind you that aging is normal despite what social media tells us, and you do not need Botox and fillers to be beautiful as you age. So hit subscribe if this resonates with you, and if you want more realistic beauty and skincare advice, then come say hi on Instagram at the budget dermatologist. Now let's get into my 5 free anti-aging hacks with instant results, starting with hack number 1. I call this Ice Baby. We are going to harness the power of cooling therapy to depuff your face instantly, to decrease inflammation and help tighten up your skin. Because as we age, unfortunately, our skin laxity increases and we get a little more sag. And that is why puffy eyes become a little more noticeable as we age. And that is where cold therapy can really come in to help and make you look more youthful. Remember, this is a free hack. You do not need a fancy, expensive ice roller or some freezable device. You can try this free hack instead. You are going to freeze a spoon or 2 and use them under your eyes. You can even combine this method with a little massage to help decrease those under eye bags even more. Or alternatively, just grab an ice cube, wrap it in a soft skincare towel. I have the ones I use linked below, and apply them under your eye. Use a little massage of the face for 1 to 2 minutes and you can see results right away. This cold therapy can actually help tighten the skin temporarily and reduce the appearance of pores, which also will give you a more youthful complexion. Now, the caution here is do not put the ice directly on your skin or use any of these methods for too prolonged of a time, because that can cause damage to your skin. Hack number 2, I call my instant facelift. This is my favorite hack of them all because it makes the biggest instant difference. I want you to put your hair in a high pony and see the difference that it makes. Okay, so look at me, pulling up for a high pony, lifting it down. You can see here, youthful, definitely more gravity there. It makes the biggest instant difference. Here is my before and after. I feel so much lighter and more lifted in my lower face when I have my hair back in a ponytail like this. It really helps even lift the cheeks and jowls, which really fights against gravity. Now, here is my caution with this hack. You want to really use this sparingly overall and use it for short intervals, because if you put too much tight traction for too long of a time on your hairline, you can cause traction alopecia, and some people will be more prone to this than others. Hack number 3, I call back to basics. This is how you get beauty sleep that will instantly make you look younger after just 1 night. You may have guessed it. The hack is sleep on your back. The worst position to sleep in for skin aging is anything but your back. This is because sleep lines happen from prolonged and repeated compression of our skin for 6, 7, 8+ hours every single night. So you can fix this for free by rolling over to your back and staying there while you sleep. Now, I personally understand that this is way easier said than done. I am trying to still make progress on this. Many nights I use a beauty pillow that helps me still sleep on my side without smudging my skin in and creating those lines. I'm going to link that pillow below. But my goal, I am trying to eventually be able to independently sleep on my back. Again, that is your free hack. Now, if you successfully complete just 1 night of decreased skin compressions, you are gonna wake up the next morning and look years younger, because you will not see these etched in lines that tend to linger on the skin for hours, if not days, if not being permanent, if you have been doing this for years. Hack number 4, let's get physical. The hack is just move your body with some type of physical exercise. Yes, it turns out that exercise not only is good for our internal health, but you can also actually see anti-aging benefits of your skin from exercise. And what's even better is that some of these benefits are going to pay off immediately for these instant youthful results, while more permanent changes can still build over time. So for free, go on a walk, do push-ups, do lunges, whatever you want, just get moving. This burst of activity will increase blood flow to your skin, and this increase in circulation is going to bring oxygen and nutrients to your skin. So you get nourishment here that will immediately give your skin a more vibrant and healthy glow, making it appear more youthful. And don't forget, those nutrients and oxygen are crucial for building collagen. And if you want to take your exercise to the next level, make sure you sweat a little bit, because this is going to unclog your pores, ridding them of that dirt, oil, and debris. This will help improve your overall complexion. And I will even take this a step further to mention that exercise boosts endorphins. Endorphins make people happy, and happy people look more youthful because they smile more, and that is lifting up the corners of their mouth and their lower face, which is one of the first things that shows signs of gravity as we age. But remember, as fun as these instant improvements are, what is even better is the long-term benefits that your skin gets from exercising over time. So keep it up and do it daily if possible. And now, hack number 5, I call the master manipulator, and that's manual manipulation of the face for free. You don't need a gua sha or a fancy jade roller. If you have those, you can use them. That's great. But for free, you can just use your hands for this hack. This really expands on hack number 1 with our cooling therapy by adding on the benefits of prolonged massage of the face. This is going to be instantly anti-aging in 3 ways. Number 1, improved blood flow to the skin through massage. This means more oxygen and nutrients to the skin, and also speeding up the detoxification process by carrying away toxins and waste products. So this is going to help with that instant boost and glow to your skin. Second, if you target the lymphatic system, you can promote lymphatic drainage with specific techniques. This can instantly depuff your face and get rid of excess fluid accumulation. And third, one of the most helpful for me personally is to relieve muscle tension in our face that is creating these lasting wrinkles. So through massage, you are releasing tension of the muscles, specifically the frontalis muscle over the forehead, our glabellar complex muscles that create those 11s between our eyebrows. So really just getting in there, massaging these muscles allows them to relax and release the skin from that prolonged and intense scrunch that we can see that causes those lines to get etched in our skin. Now, I'm going to admit that I am newer to this practice and this concept of facial massage, but I've actually seen some insane results from people who are like super into this facial massage practice. So stay tuned as I get more savvy with these techniques. So my point here with sharing these 5 free anti-aging hacks with instant results is to show you that your anti-aging skincare routine truly goes beyond just skincare products, and that we should be thinking about our health and our longevity from many different angles. And we do not need to break the bank to get small wins and mood boosters and appearance enhancers. If you found this video fun and uplifting, literally, hit subscribe and please give it a thumbs up, and come say hi on Instagram and TikTok at The Budget Dermatologist. See you guys soon. Bye.